Teacup shaking, silver spoons collide. Hatters at the bench with mercury inside. Hands start trembling, visions fill the room. Madness in the vapor sealing every doom. Breath of poison creeping slow. On their fingers, minds let go. Mad Hatter scars! Mercury in the air. Mad Hatter scars! They never knew, they never cared. Mad Hatter scars! The tremors wouldn't stop. Mad Hatter scars! Falling with each drop. Felt hat's glossy, mercury's the key. But the price is madness, loss of memory. Victorian fashion shining in the light. Behind the glow, the workers lost the fight. Shiny finish, deadly pay. Voices fading day by day. Mad Hatter scars! Murmur in the air. Mad Hatter scars! They never knew, did they care? Mad Hatter scars! The tremors twist and stop. Mad Hatter scars! Drop by drop by drop. Shaking heads, unsteady speech. Hallucinations just out of reach. They called it madness, cursed the trade. But the prophet spoke louder than the graves it made. Toxic fumes, they couldn't flee. Bound by working misery. Mad Hatter scars! Mercury in the head. Mad Hatter scars! Never knew, never were. Mad Hatter scars! Tremors won't stop. Mad Hatter scars! Drop, drop, drop. In the Victorian era, hat making relied on mercury nitrate. Workers used it to treat felt, giving hats a smooth shine. Exposure was constant, the fumes unavoidable. They developed trembling hands, slurred speech and hallucinations. The condition became known as Mad Hatter's disease. Doctors observed loss of memory and sudden mood swings. Families witnessed unstable men descending into confusion. The practice was common in Britain, France, and America. Mercury was cheap and alternatives were rare. Regulations were minimal, profit was paramount. By the early 20th century, laws began to limit mercury use. But for thousands of hatters, the damage was irreversible. Factories silent, but the tale remains. Hatter's curse written deep in veins. Every hat brim told a cost in pain. A madness carried on in fashion's name. Whispered warning, time to learn. Felt in fire, fingers burn. Mad Hatter's good worker in the air. Mad Hatter's good, they never care. Mad Hatter's good, tremors tremble, topple drop. Mad Hatter's good. Drop, drop, drip, it won't stop. Echoes linger where the fumes once spread. The hat survived, but the workers are dead.